Hello. Essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 也, which means also. Same as in English, 也 also is a very highly frequently used word. In Chinese, we can use either a verb or an adjective after 也. First, let's talk about using a verb after 也. Can we please try to use 也 when we are talking about hobbies? Alright, here's an example. I like playing tennis. I also like swimming. 我喜欢打网球。也 that's the word. 也 also 喜欢游泳。我 I 喜欢 like 打网球 play tennis. 也 also 喜欢 like 游泳 swimming. Can we please try to use 也 when we are talking about sickness? Here is another example. I'm not feeling well. Head hurts. Throat also hurts. 我不舒服。头痛。嗓子也痛。我 I 不 not 舒服 comfortable. 我不舒服 I'm not feeling well. 头 head 痛 hurts. 嗓子throat 也 also 痛 hurts. So now can we please try to use an adjective after 也? So that is also plus an adjective. Well, can we please talk about food? Let's have a try. Japanese food is very delicious. Chinese food is also very delicious. 日本菜很好吃。中国菜也很好吃。日本菜 Japanese food 很 very 好吃 delicious. 中国菜 Chinese food 也 also 很 very much 好吃 delicious. Can we please try to use 也 to describe a person? Take Mr.Li for example. Mr.Li is not good looking, also not smart. Mr.Li 不好看，也不聪明。不 not 好看 good looking, 也 also 不 not 聪明 smart. Some of you may have noticed that the English we're using here is not the standard English. It's not the proper English you are using. Yes, that's correct. But you have to use it in this way because this is how we help you to understand the words and also the grammar when we translate the English into Chinese. In the end, 我喜欢我的 video. I like my video. 你也喜欢我的 video. You also like my video. 是不是？谢谢你。